this guide can change your life.
Before you scroll away, pause for a moment and imagine this. What if you could control your breath in such a way that your mind becomes calm, your body feels energized, and your inner self feels awake? Whether you are struggling with daily stress or aiming for higher spiritual growth, this guide has something for you. Starting with the soul, what is Kriya Yoga? Kriya Yoga is not just another meditation technique. It is a complete spiritual science, designed to connect the soul with the infinite. This ancient practice was developed in India thousands of years ago and passed down from teacher to student through word of mouth. It reappeared in modern times to help people accelerate their spiritual development through meditation, breath control, and devotion. The word itself explains its meaning. In Sanskrit, Kri means action, and Ya means awareness of the soul. So Kriya Yoga simply means action with awareness. Every step, every breath, every effort is meant to bring you closer to your true self. Kriya Yoga is also mentioned in important spiritual texts. The Bhagavad Gita teaches that action without attachment is at the heart of Kriya Yoga, showing how meditation and detachment can connect us with the divine. In the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, Kriya Yoga is described through practices like pranayama, control of breath, and inner absorption, both of which are paths to liberation. Why people practice Kriya Yoga? From monks to celebrities, from householders to professionals, people adopt Kriya Yoga because of its unique blend of practical and spiritual benefits. On a practical level, it reduces stress, clears the mind, sharpens emotions, and helps people live with balance. On a spiritual level, it opens the door to inner peace, deeper meditation, and steady spiritual growth. What makes Kriya Yoga special is that it is not limited to monks in caves. It can be practiced in everyday life by anyone who sincerely seeks growth. The sacred lineage. Kriya Yoga has been carefully preserved and passed down through sacred lineages of masters. Mahavatar Babaji is said to be the immortal yogi who revived this ancient technique for modern times. Lahiri Mahasaya brought Kriya Yoga into family life, proving that even householders can live a spiritual life. Swami Sri Yukteswar, a wise Jnana yogi, showed how science and spirituality can go hand in hand. Paramahansa Yogananda carried Kriya Yoga to the West through his famous book, Autobiography of a Yogi, which continues to inspire millions. Swami Kriyananda, a direct disciple of Yogananda, extended these teachings to seekers around the world. This unbroken chain of teachers shows how Kriya Yoga is not just a theory but a living tradition, a timeless reminder. Paramahansa Yogananda beautifully said, "The more you improve yourself, the more you can be a friend to all." Kriya Yoga is about exactly that, inner transformation that shines outward, making you a better friend, a better human, and a soul more connected with the divine. The science and spirit behind Kriya. At the heart of Kriya Yoga lie 4 essential elements: pranayama, mudra, mantra, and dhyana. Each of these works on the body, mind, and soul in a unique way. Pranayama. Pranayama means control of breath. In Kriya Yoga, it is practiced in a special way to purify the body, calm the mind, and prepare for deep meditation. By directing the flow of life force, prana, through the breath, the practitioner gains both physical energy and inner stillness. Mudra. Mudras are specific hand or body postures used in Kriya Yoga. These gestures are believed to regulate the flow of prana within the body, balance energy, and deepen meditation. Mantra. Mantras are sacred words or sounds repeated to focus the mind. When combined with breath and awareness, they refine your thoughts, awaken inner energy, and strengthen concentration. Dhyana. Dhyana means meditation. In Kriya Yoga, it is the practice of going beyond thoughts into deep stillness, where one experiences connection with the inner self. Together, these 4 elements awaken the energy points in the body known as chakras. When prana flows freely through these energy centers, a person becomes more alive, centered, and spiritually aware. Physically, Kriya improves breathing, strengthens energy, and enhances health. Mentally, it reduces stress, sharpens focus, and balances emotions. Spiritually, it draws you closer to your soul, filling life with peace and happiness. This harmony of body, mind, and spirit is what makes Kriya Yoga a path to balanced living. Kriya techniques you can actually use. Kriya Yoga is not limited to advanced yogis. It offers simple daily practices that anyone can learn to calm the mind and support spiritual growth. With regular effort, these techniques prepare you for deep meditation and inner transformation. How Kriya connects to other yoga forms. Kriya Yoga combines the best aspects of different yoga paths, but focuses directly on awakening the inner self. Unlike yoga practices that deal mainly with physical postures or intellectual study, Kriya works with your life force, prana. Through breath and awareness, it calms the nervous system, sharpens the mind, and brings higher awareness to the surface. Many call it a spiritual shortcut because it helps you enter deep meditation much faster than most traditional methods. What is Sudarshan Kriya and why it's trending? In today's fast-paced world filled with stress and anxiety, Sudarshan Kriya has become a powerful tool for healing. Developed by spiritual teacher Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, it is now practiced by millions worldwide. Sudarshan Kriya uses natural breathing rhythms to harmonize the body, mind, and emotions. Interestingly, it was born out of silence. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar spent 10 days in deep silence, during which this rhythmic breathing practice was revealed to him. Later, it became the foundation of the Art of Living Foundation, which shares the practice globally. Backed by science, leading medical institutions have studied Sudarshan Kriya and confirmed its benefits. Harvard Medical School found improvements in brain function and emotional regulation. AIIMS All India Institute of Medical Sciences reported reduced stress hormone levels, cortisol, and lower depression scores. Other studies show positive effects on immune function, sleep quality, and even gene expression. Key benefits of Sudarshan Kriya: mood lift, releases negative emotions and builds positive feelings. Emotional detox, clears mental clutter and reduces anxiety. Better sleep, helps regulate sleep cycles and ease insomnia. Immune boost, strengthens the body's defense system. Heart health, supports healthy blood pressure and heart rate. At a time when mental health is more important than ever, Sudarshan Kriya provides a natural, side effect-free way to feel calm, energized, and balanced. Learn Sudarshan Kriya step by step.
Here are some of the core practices used in Sudarshan Kriya.
1. Ujjayi breathing slow and Bhastrika, fast. Sit comfortably. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale forcefully through the nose while pumping the belly. Repeat in a rhythmic flow, 1 to 3 rounds of 30 breaths. This energizes the body and removes toxins. Note: avoid this practice if you are pregnant, menstruating, or have heart-lung conditions unless guided by a teacher. 2. Chanting and rhythmic cyclical breathing. Sit with eyes closed. Breathe in short, medium, and long rhythms in a guided sequence. This practice usually requires a trained teacher. Continue for about 20 minutes. 3. Silent meditation. After rhythmic breathing, sit quietly in silence. Let the mind rest, allowing stillness to arise naturally. 4. Do not attempt fast breathing if you have high blood pressure or epilepsy. Combine the best of both worlds. A sample routine. Kriya Yoga and Sudarshan. Kriya can be woven into your daily life in a way that energizes your mornings and relaxes your evenings. Here's a simple routine to start with. Morning routine, energize and focus, 20 minutes. Begin your day by activating the body and clearing the mind. 1. Gentle yoga warm-up, 5 minutes. Sun salutations, 2-4 rounds. Cat-cow, downward dog, cobra. These movements awaken your body and improve blood flow. 2. Ujjayi breath, 5 minutes. Take deep, slow breaths with a slight constriction in your throat. This soothes the nervous system and centers the mind. 3. Bhastrika pranayama, 3 minutes. Brisk, forceful breaths that energize the body, clears mental fog and boosts energy. 4. Chanting, 3 times. Vibrate the sound deeply. It calms the mind and uplifts the spirit. Silent sitting, 2 minutes. Sit quietly, observing the breath. Begin the day grounded and present. Evening routine, de-stress and detox, 25 minutes. After a long day, allow your body and mind to release tension and prepare for rest. Sudarshan Kriya, 20 minutes. Guided rhythmic breathing in specific cycles. Cleanses stress and harmonizes emotions. 2. Silent meditation, 5 minutes. Let the mind settle into stillness. This brings deep relaxation and inner peace. Why this works. Morning practice activates energy, clarity, and focus. Evening practice releases toxins, calms the nerves, and prepares you for deep rest. Daily practice strengthens immunity, balances emotions, and improves sleep. Safety guidelines you can't ignore. While Sudarshan Kriya has powerful benefits, practicing it incorrectly can create problems. Always respect your limits when not to do Sudarshan Kriya. If you are pregnant, menstruating, or have serious heart-lung conditions, only practice under professional guidance. Signs you're doing it wrong. Stop immediately if you notice dizziness or lightheadedness, and could mean hyperventilation or poor posture. Chest pressure or discomfort. You may be forcing the breath, never strain. Anxiety or panic feelings. This may indicate emotional overload. Slow down. Sudden exhaustion. Could be from over-practicing or incorrect breathing. Important. Sudarshan Kriya involves specific rhythmic breathing patterns. Learn only from a qualified instructor. Your next step towards inner freedom. Sudarshan Kriya offers a deep cleansing effect on the emotions, bringing clarity of mind, steady sleep, and lasting calm. Its steps, Ujjayi, victorious breath, Bhastrika, rhythmic breathing, and silent meditation, work together to create balance, energy, and peace. Whether you are just beginning or looking to deepen your practice, remember, it only takes a single conscious breath to start your journey. Find a certified teacher, commit to your calm, breathe your way into freedom.